This is the Beastologist Walks. I saw a clip on the news you can walk all the way around the coast of Britain. 10 minutes later, I was in the car. I'm not a hiker. I've never done anything like this. I don't even own walking boots. I just heard it and something in my brain just said go. No training, no plan, no gear, no idea. Within the hour, I set off from the Humber Bridge in Yorkshire, walking 10,000 miles around the entire British coastline, and I'm recording every step. Every Friday, the highlights of my week, and whatever's going on in my head. Every Thursday, honest reviews of the gear I'm actually using out here, stuff I bought and I'm living in. In between, I also upload builds, detours, rabbit holes whenever I stumble into one. And whenever I can, I upload raw uncut footage so you can walk with me. If I survive this, I might be the youngest person to ever complete this. I'm almost certainly the least qualified, and I'm probably the only person filming every step and putting it on YouTube. This is Britain's coastline. I'd like you to come along for the adventure, and if you want to find out what happens with me, subscribe.